Hello friends, I am Shravana and welcome to my channel Sparkling Future. In the shuffle operation series, we have been learning about reduce by key, group by key, combine by key, aggregate by key and fold by key. So today let's see how the sort by key works. As the name suggests, the sort by key means it is going to sort based on the keys in a key value pair of RDD. Means in a pair RDD, this function, this transformation is going to sort in ascending or descending based on the keys. So when you use sort by key, first it is going to show the numbers, special characters, then it takes the words starting with uppercase, and then it shows the sorted order for the lowercase words. So let's check out with a simple example. So friends, here I have created one Scala object. I am importing Spark package. Arg Apache spark.sparkconf and spark context. I am defining the main method. Creating sparkconf variable. I am giving a name to this code. So actually whatever name you set here, right, when you are submitting using Spark submit command, you will be able to see the jobs in UI, right? So that time you can search based on this name, whatever name you are giving here, with that name you can search in the UI. That's the use of the set app name. And the similar way, this whatever in the master you set, it will, the job Spark job will run in that mode. So because I am using a personal laptop, I am using local, and if you are working in a project in production, usually it will be a cluster mode. So declaration is fine. Now I am creating an RDD and I am reading a text file. I have a text file. It's a simple text file, and I am going to read the word, calculate the word count in that text file. Creating another RDD out of first RDD. First, I'm creating the flat map based on the spaces. Then I am creating a pair RDD so that the counting will be easy. Applying reduce by key for counting the values based on the key. So now let's print this and see the output. The job has started. You can see here, right, each and every word it is printing. So if you see, this is not in the sorted order. It's not sorted in ascending or descending. Everywhere it's scattered. So in such cases we use sort by key. Let's see how to use sort by key and how the output will change. you can see here, sort by key, you can mention ascending or descending. If you say true, it's ascending. If you pass false, then it's descending. And another one, number of partitions also we can mention. Both are like optional parameters. By default it will take ascending order. So I have added the sort by key. Let me run this code now. Yeah, this is the output. Here if you see, first it has taken the special characters, which is full stop, then capitals it has taken and kept in ascending order. Then you can see first A, then B, then C, D, F, and vice versa. You can see, right? Last is W. So all the keys are sorted because we have not mentioned anything, and by default is ascending. It has given this way. So this is for in today's video, friends. Hope this is useful for you to understand the how sort by key works in Spark. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting learnings. Thank you, friends.